So hi guys, welcome to Chat Traders channel for weekly view 5th July till 9th, and we are going to talk about the one more topic called which is the best time where the call volume is more. So I have Manju with me. Hi Manju. Let,
Hi all.
yeah.
Hi Hemant.
So let me share my screen. So Manja is going to explain about this topic. What is the best time when the when the call volume is more? Okay, let me minimize this. So hope you are able to see my screen, right, Manja? And I share my screen.
No, Hemant.
No, on
Yeah, I'm able to. I am able to see now.
okay. On FCC I've shared it. Okay.
Yeah, I'm able to see now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good.
Shall I go? Yeah.
Yeah.
See, usually, as a day trader, right? It's not that we are going to trade every 5 minutes or every 15 minutes. Okay. There is something like where all the intraday traders they follow this routine. If you see here, right? If you see here at 6 o'clock, Asian market opens. Okay, and after that 6:30 we need to pay attention to Singapore Nifty, that is our SGX Nifty, how it opens, whether it opens positive or negative, because these two, right, this will give an indication whether our market will open positive or negative. Okay, after that if you're following any news channels or newspapers, that you can go through in the like 7 o'clock time. Okay, around 8 o'clock you can take your notes, like what are the calls you have planned, right? You can just make an order. Okay, at 9 o'clock market opens, correct? Our Indian market will open at 9 o'clock. So after that 9-7, by 9-8 you will get your opening prices. I hope you all know that, like from 9 o'clock to 9:15 is a pre-open session, right? But the prices will get updated at 9-8. Okay, so you have how many minutes? 7 minutes. So based on the opening price, right, whatever the stocks you have shortlisted, you can make a give the priority based on the opening price. You can decide like which one has open to your nearest entry price or a resistance price. Those things you can consider. Okay, and 9:15 you can start watching the markets. Okay, don't immediately trade at 9:15 itself. Give some time. Okay, don't trade immediately at 9:15 as soon as market opens, right? Don't trade, because that is like it's highly risky. I mean, you never know what happens. Give some time to settle, at least 15 minutes or 30 minutes. Then you can apply your trading plan. Okay, after that, right, till 12 o'clock there will be a time pass. Like usually trading happens like till 10:30 most activity will happen. After that, like 10:30 to 12 o'clock, that 1.5 hour, right, there won't be much activity. It will be moving, just moving in a sideways. Okay, then you need to watch around 12 to 12:30. That is the time where the European market opens, UK market opens. Okay, so based on that market, right, you can get a over I mean some trend you will get, whether that UK market opens positive, right, then our market will also start going towards further positiveness. Like, I mean, if it is starting positive, right, it can, our market can also turn to positive, because that is the time when FIs will come into place. Okay, then after that, that is what, see here, 1 o'clock you can see FI activity is possible. Around 2:30, right, most of the day traders or intraday traders, they try to close their positions, because they don't want to carry for the next day, right? So by 2:30 they'll start closing their position, and 3:30 market closes. Then again you'll be watching your NSE data, like NSE website, for FI and DI activities, whether they are bought or sold, you'll come to know. Okay. And after that you can watch for US market. US market opens in the evening 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock. During that time you can watch US market, how it opens, and based on that next day again this routine follows. Okay. So the main time to concentrate is 9 to 10:30, and after that 12:30, 12 to 12:30 again you start watching the markets. In between there is not, I mean, no need to continuously watch the market, because during that 10:30 to 12 o'clock there will be like a sideways kind of moment. There won't be a very big moment at all. Okay. I'm handing over to Hemant. Thank you.
So thanks Manju for your inputs about this best time when the call volume is more. So also in our Telegram, usually you would have seen we used to mention let's wait till 1:30. So that's because of FI data. I mean FI will be active at 1 to 1:30. During that time, the call volume will be more. And also looking at the Europe market, will be able to identify the next trend. So that's the best timings what you need to be closely watching for the call volume. Okay, so during those times we'll see good volume. Okay, so that's the information which we want to share with you guys. So let's look at the weekly index view. So before that, this is our note. Note down, guys. Our channel is only for educational purpose. So if you're trading, please contact your finance advisor. Let's look at the Nifty chart, how it's going to react for this week. Let me change my screen. Zoom it. So you can see this trend line, and at the end on Friday trading closing time, Monjo also had told that on Monday will come out with the good bull power. Okay, so we are expecting it may open positive, and it may start from this trend line 15,815 levels. If market is positive, it should start from this level 15,800 levels at this trend line. Then later you have to wait. Okay, whether it's going to break this trend line.
Hemant, uh, okay. Sorry, Hemant. I mean, I was not able to see the chart. Now it's coming. Sorry.
Okay, that's fine. So once it touch this trend line, right, be very cautious. Usually you can see here it touched this trend line and came took a reversal from there. So you should be very careful once it touch this 15,800 levels. People will be ready to book profit because they would have entered at 15,640, right? So they would have uh, waited till the weekend, right? And they will try to book profit. So be careful at this level. If it doesn't reversal, that's good. You can carry on till the next level. So for this weekly level, what I am looking at, so if it is positive, the market can easily touch 15,900, 16,000 level for this week. Okay, so I'm expecting minimum 15,900 and 16,000 level for this week on the uptrend. Downtrend, this is a strong support. Okay, so the last week low was this, right, 15,600 levels. So if it break this, then easily I am expecting it can touch this 15,550. So low which I am expecting is 15,550. On the upper trend I am expecting 16,000 in this week. So Nifty will be moving at this range. Okay, so large movement we can see in this week, because last week it was there, we did not find much movement. So in this week we can expect more movement. Okay, so that's about the Nifty. Let's look at the bank Nifty chart. So we can expect bank Nifty breaking this trend line and start positive, and it can easily touch 35,000 levels. Okay, so on Monday we can easily expect 35,200 levels in the pre-opening session only. Once it break this, then easily we can expect 35,400. So for the week, what I'm expecting is 35,800 levels. Okay, let me zoom this. Sorry. Okay. So for this week, what I'm expecting is 1,000 points, 35,800. Okay, the uptrend level. On the downtrend, if it break this 34,600 levels, right? The 600 levels. If it break this, easily we can expect 34,200 levels. Okay, so that's the level which I'm looking for this week on Bank Nifty. Let's look at the OI data. Okay, let me change my screen. So you can see the OI data. 15,800 is a strong resistance. So if it breaks, that's the reason I said you should be very careful at that trend line. 15,800 also is a strong. If it break, easily we can expect 16,000, and 15,700 is a support for now. If it fails to hold that, then easily we can expect 15,500. Okay, so that's a level which I am looking on for this week on Nifty. And next is Bank Nifty. You can see here we have a strong resistance 35,500. If it break this, then we can expect 36,000 on the Bank Nifty for this week. On the downside, the support what we have is 34,500. Okay, if it fails, then 34,000 is the next level. So that's about the Bank Nifty levels, guys. Hope you guys are very clear on these levels. Let's look at this. Before that, this is our training program. If you really want to understand technical and trade, right, you can join our training program. So Manju is a trainer, and we have been onto this training program from last 2 years. So we trained around 100 plus people. So if you really want to be an independent trader and want to learn technical, you can join our training program. So the training program will be only on the weekend. That is 2 to 3 hours session, 1 month training and 1 month support. So the support will be hand holding session, and also the trade what to take during the live market, right? You can whether you are technically able to analyze correct or not. Will be guiding you guys. So that is the 1 month support. Hope this is very clear about our training program. Let's look at the stock for Monday. Raymonds, this is the stock which you need to observe at the price 415. If it move above this, then we can expect positive on 422-24 levels on Raymonds. So that's about the Raymonds. Next is TVS Motor. So you need to watch the price around 616. So if it open positive, then easily we can expect 625 on TVS Motor. Next is Ajanta Pharma. If the price you need to watch around 2, if it break this 2140, then easily we can expect next level is 2160 62 levels. So that's about the Ajanta Pharma. Next is Axis Bank. If the price move about 755, break this level from last week. So if it break, then easily we can see a good positive on Axis Bank. The next level is 760 plus. Okay, so that's about the Axis Bank. So any queries, Manju, from anyone? Able to view? Yeah, I think we're done, Manju.
No, Hemant, no queries.
So
No queries.
thank you, Manju, for your time, and thanks, guys, for joining us. And hope this the best time call volume. So it's hopeful. Hope that is helpful for you guys. So same way we'll be coming out with the different topic on every weekends. Stay with us on every weekend. See you on the next video session, and you can watch us on Telegram channel Chart Traders at 369. Happy trading, happy weekend. Thanks, Manju, for your time.